Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and today we are going to learn about nested for loops. So what is nested for loop? So the nested for loop is just a loop inside a loop. So this is what we are going to do today. We'll create a for loop and there will be one more loop inside that for loop. So what we are going to do with this thing? So these things will be useful in multi-dimensional array that we'll look in further videos. But today we are just going to draw a quick design like this, a right angle triangle. Oh, yeah, we can say right angle triangle, and there will be some sort of numbers or pattern we will draw in it, like this something. So this is what we are going to do today. So let's quickly go and have a look how we will do this thing with the help of coding. Let's open our code editor and there we go. So what we'll first of all do is create a simple for loop, that is for I equals to 0, but first we'll need to initialize it as I said before, that it will be I less than 11 because we need just 10 numbers. So or else we can write it like this: I less than or equals to 10. Let's go to I plus plus because we need to increment the I. Let's just print quickly the numbers what we are getting, the output for this one, and this would be percentage %d with some space we left here with slash n, and here will be a variable I. Close it and run the program. Let's execute it, and boom, yep, the loop is running perfectly. Now this will be our main task, to get a new loop and how we are going to use those loop inside them. So we'll create one more loop and you can give whatever name you want. It is nothing like that, you have to do some specific variable names. Here I'm going to take j, that is equals to I because we are referring the outer loop. So here will be I with it, and j will be greater than 0, and I said it will be equal to 0. Let's do j minus minus here. We need to decrement it, and let's print what we are getting it here. The percentage %d in double inverted commas, don't forget that thing, with some space, and we are printing j here. Now let's see what's the output we are getting here. Ooh, that's quite awkward. So the reason this thing is happening because we haven't give them spaces here. But if I give the space here, it will be after every character. So we don't have to do this. We have to do after a loop completes. So we will do it here. Printf double inverted commas and slash n. It should run perfectly now. Let's go and compile and run. So yeah, this is what we saw here. This is what we, oops, this is what we were looking at. So this is we have got here in our output, and we can change it a little bit because sometimes what you will see for practice would be not these numbers. There might be some of the symbols like this, and let's see how it shows now. There is not much difference. Instead of number there will be just this design here, and yep, boom, we have got this thing. So this is what we have got in the nested for loop, and as I said, we'll get to know about the use of these for loops in multi-dimensional array, and we'll look in further videos I hope this video was a bit helpful for you guys to understand some concepts of loop. So stay tuned and do subscribe the channel for more knowledgeable videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.